Hello and welcome back. So it is 3:31 no, it's not midday. It's almost no, it's closing. Let's review my paper trades. So 1 minute. So I like the general uptrend of this one. Found some support there and there. Um, it like touched support and went back up. I started looking at this at 63 cents. Then I went all the way 10,000 in at 65. You know, this could have been like $500. I think I only got like 300 paper dollars out of it. Got out there at 68. Thought I could go back in. Maybe it was going to break out again. At this, you know how sometimes it breaks out and then it touches and then it goes back again. So then I got scared. Then I was like, oh, maybe it's ramping up now. Got scared. 68, 68. So I think from 66 to 70 it would have been nice, but yeah. So there's that. That's ears. What does the ears long-term chart look like? Let's take a look. So long-term, it went up. Did it go that far today? No idea. Did it? 86 cents, but it says the high is 70. Let me check this out. Why is that 86 cents? Oh, maybe that was yesterday. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what would I want? Okay, hold on. Hang on. Okay. So, yesterday it got up to 85 cents, but now it's at like 70. I was thinking to myself, like, is this first green day? Because I think it's like one green day, then it goes consolidates, then it goes up again. That was my thinking, but not sure. But let's use that as resistance, right? So after that, I think the next point could be at $1.30. Those are my thoughts on that. I don't know where it's going to go. I don't know what it's doing. Then I was looking at OGen. I also like OGen's chart because it's like going up all day. And then I mark my little supports and I get in and I use this as risk. So I was in here 132 and I'm like getting 10,000 shares, right? Like that's $10,000 in real life. So it's not practical to me, but in my paper trade world brain where I feel like confident, it makes sense. So, you know, 132, 131.8, I was like, all right, I'm scared. Then it ramps up. Then I was like, all right, now it's breaking out. I'll get in here, 136, got out 130. So it went all the way up to 138. From here to here, it was cool. These are penny movers, though. I really like if I got in at the morning, like over here when it broke pre-market high and just held it for 30 cents, but I don't think I can do that. And this is hindsight thinking, right? And then I was looking at JNUG. Let's see, JNUG's chart looks interesting to me. Like, I think once it breaks pre-market high at 807, it's almost up $1 a day. If you use that as your risk level, it's never even come down that far. So, cool trade for me if I was there in the morning. So I was trying to be more practical about it and just do 100 shares, 8864, 8 out 888. So, but I was trying to click here, but it didn't process. It probably would have like gone out here, but then then you know it touches a support level and starts ramping up. From here it would have been nice once it turns green at like 870, a 20-cent move. It's actually breaking out right now. So just for fun, let's do 10,000 shares, $9. I didn't even look at the long-term chart. I can't do 10,000 shares. What's happening? Yes. This is called chasing. Let's do 8,000 shares. Let's put in all my money. No, it won't go. How about 7,000 shares? 7,000 shares. Can I do 7,000 shares? No. Can I do 6,000 shares? I'm missing it, dude. Okay, how about 5,000 shares? 5,000 shares? I'm missing the breakout. What? How about 4,000 shares? Watch it crash. Okay, how about 3,000 shares? How about 3,000? I really should wait for it to go back down and touch support before I enter, but break the rules. I'm waiting. What a nice move from 888, 20 cents. Get out there, sell into strength, or even here. Alright, so now I'm looking at a breakout. I have no idea what the long-term chart is. I think it's up on some news. Gold spikes to 1,000, 12.18 as dollar strength slips. I think it's going to touch support, maybe go back up. I think this is my risk level at 903. I'm in at 905. If it cannot keep going, then I should leave this trade. Yeah, I really feel like I'm like scalping. So let me open up the, what is that? JNUG long-term chart and see what it's working with. Junior gold miners, what? Hold on. Get all my lines. Maybe I should do like a 15-minute chart too. This one I can cancel. Ooh, I feel like that's a good point to get in. Wait, because you see support. Yeah, let's do 10,000. Watch it go back up. I don't even have that much money in the paper trade account to mess. How about 2,000? Oh, come on. Whoa. 2,000. Okay. This one, ears 2-day chart. What is ears doing? Not much. Buy ears. Yeah. I see this happen so many times. Like it's either going to go like up again or it's going to go wah, wah, you know. This one. What's this one doing? Oops. Lower this. I like spinning up on my mouse so it takes me closer to it, and if I spin down on my mouse, it takes me away. Let me see the year-to-date chart. Ojin. Okay. 131. So for Ojin, my risk level is 128. 2-day chart. Let's see, Ojin's right here. It's crossing above there's resistance at 937, and after that, I guess there 10. Seems like sort of clearish skies. Not sure exactly. Maybe I'll lower this too. There, because it's right above there, and that touches. This is resistance, became support. Maybe it'll use it as support, maybe it won't. This is long-term chart. Ojin, I'm going to say goodbye because you're not bouncing too much, and we'll play it safe. Even though it hasn't touched my risk level, I'm not interested. I want a nice ramp up. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Who knows? I want to get out of there. All right, wonderful. This one, it's a little bit higher than support. Market's almost closing. Computer's almost dying. Let me plug this in a little bit. How's everybody's day going? Hopefully well. Okay. 905, 906. And this is what I'm looking at is for my next top. It's my next breakout point. Let's check the news for a second. Gold spikes, dollar strength slips. COMEX Gold climbs more than 2% for its third straight daily gain. The metal's best run since late August as the dollar slips amid the global slump in equity markets. I had no idea the dollar was going down globally. There's also other news. Let's see what the other news is. Gold has a weight around its neck, but the price refuses to make a lower low. Gold has had a problem in 2018. The yellow metal has run into an environment of a rising U.S. dollar and higher interest rates, which amounts to a bearish historical double whammy. Double whammy. The rise in the U.S. dollar index from a low of 88.15 in February to its, I'm trying to pretend like I'm a newscaster, to its current level of over 95 on the December dollar index futures contract has been bad news for gold bulls. A stronger dollar typically weighs on the price of the precious metal. More significantly, U.S. interest rates are moving higher and the pace of increases has picked up over gold falls hard. One moment. Let's see how the chart's doing. You know, it's slow, so it's not touching my risk level, but it's kind of making me feel weird. So time to go, JNUG. And there you have it. Let's see how my overall paper trade account is doing. Did I do it at the right time? Yeah. I started with 30,000. This is all fake dollars, and I have not dropped below 30,000 in, I want to say, several weeks. So I think yesterday I didn't film it, but there was like a $600 loss on something I was looking at in class. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your trades. Bye-bye.